Hi YouTube, I'm Brandon Jess.
I'm Garrett Jess.
And we're the owners of Jess Auto Group, and welcome to our channel. How's it going, everybody? This is Trent with Jess Ford in Grand Coulee. Today we're going to take a look at the F-150 Tremor. It is a package you can get from the factory that comes with 33-inch tires, slight lift up front, steel running boards, and just a little more aggressive stance and capabilities, as well as some different orange stitching you can already see on the outside right here on the badging, as well as inside, which we'll get to here in just a second. So taking a look inside the Tremor now, this one is a very well loaded, very well put together F-150. You've got your lane keeping system, adaptive cruise control, heated seats, air conditioned seats, navigation, 360-degree camera. So here's your front camera. We can go front 180-degree view, or you can go full 360, which is this one right here. You can also zoom in on different corners. So as you're backing out, those cameras are under the mirror. So if you notice, as we open a door, it changes the way that your camera is looking. And when the door is closed, it aligns perfectly with your front and rear cameras to show you all the way around the truck. Next up, you also have memory seats, as well as adjustable foot pedals. So if you or your significant other do have a significant height difference, you can actually adjust your seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors all exactly to where you each want your settings to be, and save that for when you're in the driver's seat. We've got a Vista sunroof up top, wireless phone charger for your phone, and locking rear differential, as well as your normal four-wheel drive and separate drive modes. Last but certainly not least, this truck also has your automatic tailgate drop, which has been around with Ford for quite a few years now. But what is new, only the last year or two, is your automatic tailgate lift. So once again, my name is Trent up here at Grand Coulee. If you have any questions or do want to go over or test drive an F-150 or even a Tremor specific, give us a call or stop by at our Pullman, Omak, or Grand Coulee location. That was the best hi YouTube I've done yet.